Today, a big turtle arrived, which is interesting. It can be used to manually move its wings through gears. The surface of the printed model through Goofoo Mini. This model is very exquisite. This Goofoo model has won the gold medal in the 2018 year's China First FDM3D printer competition. The various components of the gear will not get stuck during manual rotation. When it comes to this mini and 3D printer, I have to introduce its unique design. The unique design of the extruder makes it possible to fulfill the wide range of the filament in the market, like PLA, PLA compound, ABS, HIPS, PET, PA nylon, PC, PP, TPU95A, TPU87A, TPE83A, carbon fiber and other engineering materials. Let's take a look at the appearance. Will you be attracted to it at first glance? The black acrylic front shell with a mirror finish gives a sense of sophistication. Transparent opening and closing doors are dust-proof and aesthetically pleasing. The sturdy shell is made of very environmentally friendly materials, which are not easily damaged and can be used for a very long time. Let's experience the fun of splicing.